Oh, hi. I didn't see you there. You just came at the perfect time. I was just about to make the perfect Thanksgiving feast. But I'm not going to do it alone. I'd like to welcome my special guest.
Get on here.
Am I supposed to come on now?
Yeah, get on.
My special guest.
Hi, I'm Jack Black.
No, you're not.
I'm Gordon Ramsay.
No.
I'm Kesha.
There you go. The first thing you gotta do is wash your hands. So come here.
Now, we only have one sink, so we need to improvise. Use non-name brand soap. Now for the other hands. Switch me sides. Some more soap. Don't forget the backside.
Make sure you get that real clean in between those nails.
Okay. Now we have to clean our dick.
Alright, now that we're done washing our hands, let's check out our turkey.
Now, a little known fact about me is I actually grew up on a turkey farm, but don't worry, the farmer treated us very well, and I actually know a thing or two about turkey anatomy.
That's why I brought you on the show.
I kind of figured it wasn't just for a free meal, so kill me. Alright, so here we have the turkey. Now, if I could have the cameraman zoom in onto the turkey, please. Okay, we're going to go through some of the turkey anatomy. If we turn the turkey this way, starting from the top down, we have our neck, or this is where the head would have been at one point in time, but of course, you know, we cut that off because nobody likes to eat the head. And here we have, technical terms are the wings, but we like to call them the flappers back on the farm. Don't ask me why. Here on the bottom side is the breast, or as many people call them, the titties. Now here we have the thighs, the sexiest part of the turkey, and down here are the legs, or the stubs, known on the farm. And here is my personal favorite part of the entire turkey, the vagina. Now, being a turkey expert myself, I know that you aren't just going to throw this into the oven plain. Am I right? Oh, you were planning on doing that. Well, see, that's wrong. What you're actually supposed to do is you're supposed to stuff, and you can prepare some garnish and whatnot. And lucky for you, I have brought all of the necessary ingredients to stuff and garnish a turkey. So I feel that we should do that.
What if I just want to eat a plain, though?
You're a fucking idiot, then.
So what are we going to use for the stuffing?
Do you not have any bread around here?
No, am I supposed to?
The fuck kind of idiot doesn't carry bread in his house? What the hell's wrong with you, you idiot? Everyone has bread.
Sorry, please don't
bread is
touch
like
me.
a necessity. What is
Sorry.
Jesus.
I'm sorry.
Lucky for you, I brought extra toasty Cheez-Its, which is a perfect substitute to bread in any scenario. You don't get any of that. Alright, now, since the host of your show is too big of a pussy to actually reach his hand inside of a chicken's vagina, I'm gonna be the one stuffing the turkey. You shut your fucking mouth. Alright, now, we're going to take these Cheez-Its, and what you want to do is spread it and shove it in. No, you're not shoving that in there. I'm sorry.
Oh.
Okay, now I'm just gonna take some Cheez-Its. And it actually works if you take the turkey and you lift it up like this. Give it a little crunch, honestly. And you just sort of stuff it in. Just like that. It's perfect. Yes. I really hope this doesn't burn in the oven, actually. What? I didn't say that. Sometimes you can get a few whole ones in there for a little extra.
Is it wrong that I'm actually attracted to this?
You may want to get that checked out. I'm not gonna lie.
I don't think you can check that out, but okay.
Sounds like a mental illness. You may want to see a psychiatrist.
Well, it's also physical too, because my penis is big. Should I not have said that?
Probably not on a cooking show. But anyway, we now have our turkey stuffed with our Cheez-It stuff. Alright, now that your turkey is stuffed deeper than your mom on a Saturday night, we're going to baste the turkey, which basically just means that my friend here is going to paint this turkey in delicate butter.
I got my thing ready.
That's what she said. Alright, just a quick question. Why is your brush fucking blue?
Is it not supposed to be? It's a paintbrush.
Why the fuck are you using a paintbrush instead of a baster brush?
What the fuck is a baster brush?
It literally exactly, it's made for exactly what you're doing right now.
Oops.
Fucking idiot.
Oh, there might be some paint left in this brush anyway, so.
Added flavor, added nutrition. So I forgot to tell you this, but make sure you get it deep inside of its vagina too. You gotta just give it a little poke.
Okay, just like I did with your mom.
Yep. Just wait. What? All right. Perfect. And the turkey is basted. All right. Now, normally you would have some sort of dressing or whatever on top of your turkey, but we are going just to don't fucking eat that, you little idiot. Damn it, what? Okay, now we're going to cover the turkey in a nice layer of cheese, which should melt and call for a nice sort of blanket over our turkey. So I'll let you go ahead and blanket the turkey.
All right. Go to sleep, go to sleep, go to sleep.
The hell? It's already sleeping. It's dead. It's sleeping forever. There's no waking up, okay?
Stay dead, stay dead, stay dead, little turkey.
Just a child. All right, so now we're gonna preheat our oven. So just hit bake. Oh, okay, cool. Okay, so I'm gonna hit bake, and then our temperature is 666, because nothing is hotter than the fires of hell. James, don't do that! Stop banging the turkey!
Don't put it there, James. No, it doesn't go in there. You just toss that shit right in the oven.
So now that our turkey's cooking, we're gonna make some mashed potato. I actually come from Idaho, which is Iowa and Idaho combined. And you know how Iowa has corn and Idaho has potatoes, so together they make the corn steak. So that's why I'm so good at husking corn and potato peeling.
And masturbating.
And that too. First thing you're gonna do, just get the potato a little wet, You wanna clean it up, don't want some dirty potato. And you're gonna start peeling it. Oh yeah. Just like my penis when I was a boy.
Oh, when you got circumcised?
Yes, sir. Then you're gonna wanna wash it off just a bit more after you finish peeling it off. Okay, next, we're gonna take this over to the cutting station where we're gonna first cut it in half this way. Then we're gonna cut it this way. Always be careful when you're cutting things because you don't want to kill yourself or even hurt yourself. Next, we're gonna put the potatoes inside of the boiling thing.
It's called a pot, you idiot.
Oh shit. Splashing, yo. Splish splash, bro.
We should probably baste it again.
Oh shit, you're right.
I think that basting the turkey actually gives it, it keeps it moist, so that way it doesn't go dry. I think. I'm not sure though, so.
It also makes it buttery, which butter is good.
Butter is good. I think it adds a little bit of flavor to it. I don't know.
Well, I mean, we don't think we know this stuff.
We know this. We're professionals, yeah.
So, a popular side dish for Thanksgiving is sweet potatoes and marshmallows. But since nobody actually likes sweet potatoes, we're just gonna eat this shit out of here. And since it's the season of giving, we're gonna keep these marshmallows for ourselves because fuck you guys, we paid for this shit. So as you can see, the potatoes are actually starting to boil a bit, so that means they're about ready for mashing. What the fuck are you wearing?
I like Christmas.
This is Thanksgiving meal though.
Well, Christmas is a better holiday, so you can fight me. Kiss my elf ass.
Alright, now that the potatoes are well done, or whatever you'd like to call it, we have to strain it. So here we go.
It's not a fucking steak, you moron.
Make sure to get all those good potatoes in. The
Go.
first part to mashing your potatoes is putting the potatoes in the bowl. Then you're going to take your masher and mash it a bit. And then you're going to want to add some milk and butter. And that's how you make some perfect mashed potatoes. Wait, actually I gotta add salt first.
Taste test it without me?
Yep.
Hey, listen.
That needs to be mashed more. Alright, so we actually don't have like an appetizer, so we went to McDonald's and we just bought some cheeseburgers. We're just gonna cut it up and serve it.
What are you doing? Can't do that in front of the turkey.
We're just doing it on the trash can, okay? It's done. Let's check this out.
Poor thing. Always make sure that your turkey is fully cooked. You want to cut down the middle, peek inside, pull it apart, make sure it's
I'm pretty sure that's good.
Oh yeah, that's really good. We got this cooked. All right,
That's a good
perfect.
turkey right there.
That is a good turkey.
Now it's time to set
Oh,
the
whoa,
table.
whoa, whoa, whoa! We almost forgot the garnish. A reoccurring favorite on this channel, the long lost
Flaming Hot Ruffles.
We're gonna put some there. That should be enough for garnishing. If you prefer yours extra spicy, you can garnish even more. But me, I just like to take my fist and. You can even try and stick a few back inside the vagina. That is gonna be very delicious.
Lastly, we're gonna put some Valentina hot sauce on it. Yep. So, how should I like put on it?
Just drizzle. You know, that turkey looked really good about 5 minutes ago, and now it didn't. Now I'm like, what the fuck did we just do?
It looked better in my head, honestly. But it still looks good. I think this is gonna be good.
Drizzled it the right way, maybe, but you just fucking globbed it on there. What the hell's wrong with you? The ratio is like fucking awful on that thing.
It's fine. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
You're only saying it's fine to reassure yourself. You know you're a bad cook.
And now that we cooked all the food, it's time to set the table. Alright, so here's our beautiful, perfect Thanksgiving meal. If you'd like to try this at home, go ahead and try it. Ask your parents first, even if you're like 84, ask your parents. Just send a little prayer to them. It is about time to pray, so
Oh, yes, sure.
should we join?
Join pinkies.
Yeah, let's join pinkies.
Join pinkies. Cameraman, put your pinky in here.
Alright.
Well, you lead in prayer, and each will say something that we're thankful for.
Yep.
Okay. And you commenters down below, comment what you're thankful for. Be a part of our prayer.
Dear Heavenly Father.
Or Allah, or Jewish
Whatever
God, or
God you're
whatever God
into.
you follow.
I
Yes.
prefer
I prefer
God.
Jake Paul. Jake Paul is my God.
Yeah, that's what I meant by God. I prefer Jake Paul. Anyway, dear God, we thank you for this blessed meal, and we want you to bless it for us and bless our souls. And please help that we don't die by this. Amen.
Okay.
Alright. Should I go first for what I'm thankful for?
Yeah, I feel yes you should.
Well, first of all, I am thankful for this heavenly meal. I'm thankful for my friends and family. Too bad none of them could have shown up for this.
Me, I'm thankful that we have this blessed cameraman here who records a lot of our videos. I'm thankful for my best friend James, and I'm thankful for the black market where I buy a lot of my heroin. What about you, cameraman?
I'm thankful.
Yeah,
Very good.
that's a
I'm
very good
surprised
thing
I
that we
didn't say
can.
that.
Yeah, me too.
Alright. Let's dig in. Alright.
I feel like I want to try some of the. Ooh, should we start with the appetizer? We didn't microwave the appetizer.
It's fine.
And for being Asian, you sure don't know how to use chopsticks.
No, that's a turkey.
That's a good turkey.
I want to get some of this, like,
I'll say it's not even that bad.
I want to get some of this, like, cheesy skin part right here.
The cheese is the best part.
Yeah,
Hands down.
Thank you for joining us, Daisy.
That's what I'm thankful for.
You're welcome. Take a bite.
Tastes like chicken.
No, it doesn't.
No, it's definitely
you're
a
wrong.
turkey.
It's turkey.
You're so wrong.
Okay, you can leave now.
Yeah,
Thanks.
just get
Bye.
out of here.
Okay, goodbye.
Fucking idiot. Does it taste like chicken?
Hell, it doesn't taste. What the fuck is wrong with her? It's not a chicken.
Oh man, that hit the spot, didn't it? We actually ate all of this, the whole meal, besides all the marshmallows, which I'm surprised, honestly, that we actually ate it, because I was kind of scared it would turn out bad, but it honestly didn't. The stuffing, I'll admit, it wasn't the greatest. I kind of regret using the Cheez-Its as a stuffing. We could have done something better with that.
We should have used more. I feel like if we
More?
put more Cheez-Its in there, we would have. We only put like 4 or 5 Cheez-Its in there,
I guess.
dude. But I did like how it turned to mush. That was kind. If it would have been.
Maybe I just didn't really like it. Maybe it was just me. Maybe you would like it more. I see that you finished all your food too, viewer.
And look, you have a wishbone. Wow. Make a wish.
Oh, well, it looks like you got the bigger half, so it looks like your wish is coming true. Anyway, always remember to feel fresh to refresh that page, and you'll see me in the next video that I make. Bye-bye!